In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Wells Fargo card quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or just want a fresh look for your debit card, the process is simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in and personalize your card in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to open your Wells Fargo app on your smartphone. If you haven't already installed the app, make sure you download it from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once you've got the app open, log in using your account details. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important for your financial safety. After you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the menu. You'll usually find this in the top corner of your screen. It looks like three horizontal lines. Tapping on this will open a list of options that allow you to access various features of the app. Now look for the option labeled Cards and select it. This section is where you can view details of all the cards linked to your account. Whether it's credit or debit, this is your primary stop for card management. Once you've entered the cards section, find and select the debit card you wish to customize. If you have multiple cards, make sure to pick the correct one by verifying the card details shown on the screen, such as the last few digits of the card number. With your chosen card in view, look for the option to customize design. This is where the fun part starts. Tapping on this option will take you to a gallery of design choices available for your card. Wells Fargo often provides a variety of themes and visuals that cater to different tastes, so take your time browsing through them. After you've found a design that speaks to you, select it and then proceed to the next step. Here you'll be able to preview what your card will look like with the new design. Take a close look and make sure you're satisfied with your choice. This is your chance to visualize the new style in its final form. Once you're happy with the preview, go ahead and confirm your selection. This step is crucial because it finalizes the design request and ensures that the new look is applied to your card. Confirming will send your request to Wells Fargo, and within a few days, you'll receive your brand new personalized debit card in the mail. And there you have it. You're done. Your card has been successfully customized, giving you a unique piece that stands out in your wallet or purse. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and that you enjoy your newly designed Wells Fargo card. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.